Today I'm going to show you how to make green corn and chard tortillas. All you're going to need is 3 to 4 chard leaves and 3 cups of instant corn flour. First we're going to blend the chard. All I do is cut them in pieces so it blends them easy. And then add a cup of water. Now we're gonna blend. And it's ready. Now we're gonna mix it with the instant corn flour. Dissolve by hand. Make sure you go all the way down so there's no dry corn flour in between. I'm gonna add a little bit more warm water. Now it's ready. We're gonna start making the tortilla. Just grab a piece and knead it like this. Here we have the prensa or tortilla press. Just place it there. Then grab this plastic right here. Put your hand on it like this. And here I have the flat griddle ready. Just let it down slowly like that. As soon as you can turn it over, turn it over. So you're gonna be checking, and as soon as you see the roasted spots like that, you turn it over, press the middle, and that's how they puff up. So this one's ready. I'm gonna keep making them. And this is the last one. So now we're gonna try them. So now we're gonna try the green corn and chard tortillas. I'm gonna try them with a fried egg. I already have the recipe how to make them like this, and some red salsa. I already have that recipe in videos, and some beans. I will be uploading a fried beans recipe soon. So I'm gonna try it with this. These are my favorite. Let's see. My friends, these tortillas are so delicious. I'm gonna add some salsa. And these fried eggs are awesome. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and I hope you can make the tortillas soon. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications when I upload recipes like this. Thank you and have a great day. See you next time.